Hi guys, so I haven't uploaded a video in a while. As you can see, I look quite ill and I've put on quite a bit of weight as well. But yeah, I'm gonna start uploading more. I'm gonna start uploading more videos. That is really wet now. So if you lot just check out my channel. If you lot could send me like some more requests, but like simple requests, because I'm not really gonna go out. It's freezing cold. It's like minus something, and I'm not going out and making videos right now. It's ridiculous. I'll freeze to death. So yeah, like thanks for subscribing, and just private message me with any requests or anything, and I'll try to get back to you guys.